How to sign in Amazon.com account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get logged into your Amazon.com account online. So without any further ado, let us get started with the process. Head over to any of your preferred web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. At the top search bar, type in Amazon.com login. As you do so, you will see Amazon.com, its official website, at the first search result. Tap open that. Then you will get leaded onto this site. Here you will see sign in on your top right. Tap it again. And simply type in your email address or phone number. Once done, tap on to continue. And at the next page, type in your password and tap on sign in. In case you have forgotten your Amazon.com password, tap on Forgot Password and get help resetting your account. And if your credential matches your Amazon account, you will successfully get logged into your account and you can see your name on your top profile. Just like this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.